Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to learn how to prove equations that involve logs. So the first thing in this case, we have log of x plus the root of x squared minus 1 plus log of x minus the root of x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So we want to look at what we have on the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we have this, that is the log of x plus the root of x squared minus 1 plus the log of x minus x, the root of x squared minus 1. So we're going to use the first law of logarithms. That is, if you have the log of a plus the log of b is the same as having the log of a times b. So we're going to use that here. So it therefore means that we're going to have the log of x plus the root of x minus x squared minus 1 times x minus the root of x squared minus 1. So we can simplify what is inside the bracket. And if you look at this, you will observe that we have x, and then this radical is the same as that radical, just that there's a plus and there's a minus. So we can relate these using the quadratic identities, where if you have a plus b and a minus b is the same as a squared minus b squared. So it means therefore that we're going to simplify this to x squared minus the radical squared. So we can simplify this further. So we have the log of x squared, then this square and this root will cancel. So we're going to be left with minus x squared minus 1 inside the bracket. Then the next step is to just open up the bracket. We'll have the log of x squared minus x squared plus 1. So x squared minus x squared is 0, so we're left with just 1. That means you have the log of 1, and the log of 1 is equal to 0. And that is what we have on the right hand side of our equation. So that is the proof.